I wondered about this issue about choice because as a person who loves science, and I've said it and will continue to say it, if loving science is wrong, I don't want to be right. But I have to tell you that over my arc as a passionate clinician scientist, I have clearly seen a divide. We ask patients and we ask for communities to sort of be partners with us. But it's interesting in being a partner when you've made some assumptions about the communities you're supposedly partnering with. An example, it still exists in the old literature that, for example, African Americans or rural people don't want to participate in clinical trials. Stop. This one person told me, Doc, I don't want to be experimental. I said, hold up, wait a minute. Has anyone ever told you, sir, that the reality is that when you're on clinical trials in the context of cancer, that you're getting the standard of care plus? And by the way, that when you reach the end of the standard of care, whether it be chemo or what have you, the standard in the 21st century is to offer you a trial. We went on to say that with some of these trials and some of what we see is that if you looked at the literature, that even the people that were, quote, in the control group, not getting standard of care, wound up doing better than people who were out in some other areas who were not part of a trial, not because there was something magic about the trial other than the people, meaning that you had more eyes on you, more attention on you, and more people that when something went a little wrong, they were on top of it. When I got through talking, he nodded his head and said something to the extent of, well, why didn't they just say that?